How to use Ideogram AI. Firstly, you will encounter a text box. This is where your creative journey begins. Fill it with your unique prompt, an idea, a concept, a scene, or even a theme. You can let your imagination run wild and enter any prompt you'd like. Once you're satisfied and excited about what you've entered, proceed to click on the Generate button. The magic then happens. Ideogram AI steps in and begins its process of morphing and shading pixels, creating an artwork based on the words you've provided. It will generate an array of unique images, each interpretation unique in its imagination. Now comes the delightful part, choosing your favorite among them. Notice the nuances, the subtleties, the interpretation of your words, the tone, the mood, the atmosphere they're creating. Once you find the one that resonates the most, that's your pick. Once you've made your choice, you can now download this masterpiece. Simply click on the download button located at the top right corner of your image.